Hey there, future coding rockstars. Welcome to your very first dive into the world of software development. Ever wondered how those amazing apps and websites you use every day actually get built? Well, I'm here to tell you, it's not magic, and it's definitely not just about typing code non-stop. There's a whole process behind it, a secret recipe. And today, we're going to unlock the secrets of what we call the software development lifecycle, or SDLC for short. Think of it as the ultimate roadmap that guides us from a brilliant idea all the way to a polished, working piece of software. So, what exactly is this SDLC? It's a structured approach to building software broken down into distinct, easy-to-follow phases. This framework ensures we're building the right thing, the right way, and creating something people will actually love to use. It's all about planning, creating, testing, and then making sure it keeps running smoothly. Let's make this real. Imagine you want to build a super cool app that helps people find the best local coffee shops. That's our big idea. The very first step in our SDLC is planning and requirements gathering. This is where we play detective and ask all the important questions. What features should this coffee shop app have? Should it show ratings, opening hours, directions, maybe even allow users to order ahead? We'd talk to potential users, brainstorm a ton of ideas, and define exactly what we want to achieve. It's like sketching out the detailed blueprint before you even think about laying the first brick. Next up is the design phase. Now that we know what we want, we need to figure out how to build it. This involves two key things: designing the user interface, how the app looks and feels, and the underlying architecture, how all the technical pieces will fit and work together. For our coffee app, we'd design how the search function works, how the map displays coffee shops, and how user profiles are managed. This is where we turn our what into a how. Then comes the part everyone gets excited about: implementation, or what you probably know as coding. This is where developers like us get to shine, writing the actual code that brings our beautiful design to life. We'd be building out all the features we planned, translating those designs into a functional, tangible application. It's like the construction crew finally building the house based on that perfect blueprint. After the code is written, we move to a super crucial phase, testing. We absolutely have to make sure everything works as expected and that there are no annoying bugs. We'd test every single feature, every button, every possible user scenario to catch any issues before anyone else does. Imagine a chef meticulously tasting their dish before it ever leaves the kitchen. Exactly what testing is for us. Once we reconfident our app is bug-free and meets all the requirements we set out at the beginning, we move to deployment. This is the big moment. It's when we release the app to the public, making it available for download on app stores or for users to access online. It's like the grand opening of our brand new coffee shop, finally welcoming everyone in. But wait, the journey doesn't end there. After launch, we enter the maintenance phase. Software is like a living thing. It needs ongoing care. This means fixing any new bugs that pop up, listening to user feedback to add cool new features, and making sure the app stays up to date and secure. It's like keeping our coffee shop clean, fully stocked, and maybe adding a new seasonal drink to keep things fresh and exciting. So, that's the software development lifecycle in a nutshell. Plan, design, build, test, release, and maintain. It's a powerful framework that helps us create high-quality software efficiently and effectively. And trust me, understanding this process from the start will make you a much more organized, confident, and successful coder. Thank you so much for joining me on this introduction to the SDLC. I really hope this made the whole process feel a lot more approachable and a lot less intimidating. If you found this helpful and want to learn more about the world of coding, make sure to hit that subscribe button and follow along for more insights. Happy coding!